You are looking fantastic, my daughter, when you are speaking like this to me. Tulip, Tulip, look at me and say hi to your father's camera. Hi, Tulip. Are you resting, my daughter? I think she's reposing at this point in time. Now, suddenly, she seems to have been restless. Okay, my daughter, do you want to play with me? My daughter, do you want to play with me currently? Okay, now she sat down on the floor in this manner. Daughter Tulip, can't you say hi to your father's camera? Especially for my dear viewers. Tulip, your tone is very sweet. You are my sweet daughter. At the same time, your tone is very sweet. Your appearance is very sweet. MashaAllah. This is my younger daughter. Already you have heard her name because I have been repeatedly mentioning her name in this video. She is really an enjoyable character. She displays to me a lot of affection, and I do the same with her. She is really a fantastic daughter to be with. Now my daughter is truly looking gorgeous, and I think now she has begun to repose, and she has become quiet just because of that. You know that the season and the weather both are warm at this point in time, and my daughter is resting on the floor of my room. MashaAllah. Now she sat down in a different manner. Tulip, say hi. Tulip. She is my beautiful daughter.